Okay, so
Yes.
so far,
Day one of
Jordan.
No, wait, I want to tell the story. So, Jordan kept saying, I want to go to the deep part. And Levi came, she got her tube, and went all the way to the other side. All of a sudden, the siren went off, saying that there was an alarm. Next thing you know, a bunch of waves come, and Jordan goes down. Lifeguard goes in, rescues her, and now we're waiting on the results. But she was fine.
Which lifeguard was it?
Huh?
Which lifeguard was it?
There was a girl where that guy is down over there. There was a girl over there.
Oh, okay, I see her.
They switched places because she went in.
They took her up there
Yeah, they took her up
to
there.
check her, make sure she's alright.
Alright, so day one. Things not to do. Take Jordan to the deep part, so when the siren goes on and she slips through the tube.
Her little butt's so tiny, she go right through the hole.
Yeah, yeah. You gonna save the filming?
Huh?
You gonna save it?
Yeah.
Okay.